Hello everybody, my name's Eddie. I'm an expert witness with Uniform Bright. I'm an expert consultant in the industry. I help business owners who are having problems with the uniform rental companies. So hopefully some of my content is really going to help you to understand what's going on behind the scenes. Today we're going to be talking about another scam that the uniform rental company likes to do. Not all of them. There are some reputable and legitimate ones out there. What I would say is that the shop towels. Let's talk about shop towels right now. The shop towels are one of the ways they make a ton of money, and I'll explain why in a minute. But there's this issue going on with some of the companies right now where they're not cleaning them sufficiently. They look kind of clean, but they're really not. Let me give you an example. I took a purple towel and a yellow towel. Both of them supposed to get dyes on them, and you do a simple rub test on it, right? So if you can see that, there's a rub test, and that rub test will reveal to you something that comes off of it. Now, I did two colors because I wanted to show you that one of them is not purple and the line is not yellow. The reason why I did that is because somebody might say this is a competitor, or I'm sorry, one of the uniform rental companies might say, oh, that's just a dye rubbing off on it. Well, the same type of an oily mark came from a purple towel and a yellow towel. So what does that mean? That the uniform rental company is not cleaning it enough. And that saves them a ton of money. One of the ways it saves them money is they're not using enough chemical to get it done. And that's going to help them decrease their processing time and get it out a lot faster. Another thing it's going to save them money on, it's going to save them money on wastewater treatment costs. And that's a big one. And the reason why is because these companies now have to clean them to a certain extent. That gets all of the oils out of it, and that means they're going to have to treat it a lot more. The city would come in and do some testing, and they'll get a violation if there's too much in there. This is one of the ways that they're saving money. How does that affect you? Well, some of the ways that it affects you is that the towels now are going to be less absorbent. So they're not going to absorb as much as you want to, and consequently, you're going to have to increase your inventory and pay for more towels. The other thing it's gonna hurt you is that you're going to be charged more for inventory maintenance charges. The inventory maintenance, because you have to increase your inventory, now you're going to pay more on the inventory on already exorbitant inventory maintenance charges, like over $1, sometimes $1.50 just for one shop towel. And not only that, but also look at the quality. These are actually clean towels, came from a vendor. They're clean towels. What they're doing is that they're no longer counting. They used to count the towels and fold them up nice and neat for you, and they were able to grade them and give you better towels. But now, because they're saving money on labor, they're just shooting them into a bag, and they're weighing that bag and coming up with a number and saying, hey, here you go. And on top of that, I'm sure if you count, you're not actually getting 50% of your inventory. So shop towels are a huge money maker for the uniform rental companies. And I'll tell you something, with this rub test that we did, I could tell you that recently I was at a company and we tested those. I sent them out of the textile laboratory, and it was at a 0 flash point, meaning that just one small spark and it was going to go up in flames. That's how bad it was. And so, and we were able to successfully cancel that account from that vendor. But pay attention to it, guys. I'm here to help. Check out my other videos. Like and subscribe it, please, for more videos that are coming up as I reveal more and more tricks of the industry. Okay, thanks for watching.